When the woman you love is diagnosed with breast cancer, your world changes too. You try to stay strong. For her, for your family, for everyone watching. But inside, there's fear, confusion, and a silence that can feel impossible to explain. You tell yourself, she's the one going through it. I have to be strong. But the truth is, you're going through it too. Men often struggle to find the words for what they feel. You might worry that showing emotion will make things harder for her, or that your own pain isn't as important as what she's facing. So you stay quiet. You hold it in. And over time, that silence can start to feel heavy. But silence doesn't make you strong. Presence does. And strength doesn't mean being emotionless. It means showing up with compassion, even when you're scared. During this time, men experience so much that often goes unseen. The constant worry about her health and the future, the helplessness of not being able to fix things, the exhaustion of holding everything together, the quiet fear of losing the person you love most. These emotions don't make you weak. They make you human. So, how can you cope and still support her with calm? Here are 3 gentle steps. Step 1. Acknowledge your feelings. You don't need to hide them. Talk to someone, a friend, a counselor, or a men's support group for partners of cancer patients. Sharing your emotions releases the pressure inside and helps you regain balance. Step 2. Stay present, not perfect. You don't need all the answers. What matters most to her is your presence, the hand you hold, the eye contact, the quiet understanding. Sometimes, the most healing thing you can offer is simply being there. Step 3. Take care of your own well-being. You can't pour from an empty cup. Find small moments each day to breathe, reflect, and rest. Take walks, journal, or listen to something calming, like you're doing right now. Your calm becomes her calm. You don't have to fight this alone. Support exists for you too. Reach out to local cancer support centers, online men's groups, or helplines. Many are designed specifically for partners and caregivers. Remember, strength is not the absence of emotion. Strength is loving through uncertainty with gentleness and grace. If this message speaks to you, know that your feelings are valid. You are not invisible in this journey. Easeful Path. Your journey to a calmer mind begins here.